Hello, explorers. Welcome to RxRevelation. Introduction. ViBoLive Tablet is an antioxidant medicine used to treat alcoholic fatty liver. It works by protecting the liver from harmful chemical substances and also increases the alcohol elimination from blood and tissues. Main content: metadoxine, 500 mg. USEs: alcoholic fatty liver disease. Take this medicine as advised by your doctor. Action. ViBoLive Tablet is an antioxidant. It works by protecting the liver from harmful chemical substances, free radicals. It also works by increasing alcohol elimination from the blood and tissues, thus preventing liver damage. Side effects. Most side effects do not require any medical attention and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine. Common side effects are nausea, upset stomach, diarrhea. Safety advice. ViBoLive Tablet may be unsafe to use during pregnancy. Do not drive if you experience any symptoms that affect your ability to concentrate and react.